All right, some breaking news coming in at this moment. There is an amendment to the rules as far as who gets to vote and how. Postal ballots have been reintroduced for anyone who's 65 plus, and also postal ballots for COVID positive patients. Arvind Gunasekaran now joins us with all the latest. Arvind, has this been affected, and for how long? Is this just for the period of COVID-19, or is this a new law here to stay?
Saket, with the Bihar Assembly elections round the corner somewhere in October this year, in the next 3 months, we can see a Bihar state going for assembly elections. So with the Bihar Assembly elections round the corner, now the Election Commission has amended the conduct of election rules. Earlier, those who are above age of 80, they were allowed to cast their votes through postal ballots. Now that has been, the age limit of 80 plus has been reduced to 65 plus. That is, for all those who are above 65 plus, all those who are above 65 years old, they can avail this postal ballot service. Not just them, even those who are COVID positive, who are in their home quarantine or in institutional quarantine, they can also avail this facility of postal ballot. Earlier, even the people with disabilities were also allowed to cast their postal ballots. Now that has been extended to all those people who are COVID positive, who are in home or institutional quarantine, and also who are above the age of 65 can avail their votes through a postal ballot. So this is an amendment to the conduct of election rules. So there is no time frame that has been given. So only after once the COVID is almost over, then the Election Commission will again amend the conduct of election rules, thereby removing this particular criteria for COVID patients. But what we are hearing is that this particular criteria for above 65 years old, that is likely to stick for longer time. Earlier, 2 weeks back, even the Election Commission had a meeting with the political parties of Bihar in the Bihar state also.
Now, Arvind, as you rightly mentioned, this is an amendment to the Conduct of Elections Rules 2020. What I want to know as of this moment is, will this not pose a new form of challenge? I present a hypothetical situation. Suppose while collecting the data, an individual does not have COVID-19, but just before the elections, the person contracts this virus. Then in that case, how does he intimate the authorities that now I would like to avail the postal ballots and not go out and vote?
That is
the practical challenges.
Yeah, still the modalities are being looked into. Even now, also Election Commission has written to almost all the political parties who will be taking part in the Bihar Assembly elections. In fact, the Election Commission, when we spoke to some of the senior officials of the Election Commission, what they are saying is that they're going to increase the booths in the voting booth across the state. In fact, they're going to limit the 1,000 voters per booth. That is the idea of the Election Commission. In fact, even they are looking into the modalities of it. How can we exercise it? Because this is a very complicated situation. Like you mentioned, that by the time when the postal ballot application was given to the voters, what if a person contracts? What if a person gets infected with COVID post the period of application? So that is one thing that the Election Commission is still looking into it. But what they are saying is that they are looking into all the probabilities. In fact, they are also seeking the suggestions from the political parties also how to make sure that the conduct of Bihar Assembly elections, that is the Bihar Assembly elections, can be held during the COVID period.
Arvind Gunasekaran, thank you very much for this latest news break.